Why seeking happiness keeps you unhappy, and what to do instead. Most people believe happiness is something to be found, earned, or achieved. But seeking happiness actually keeps it out of reach. Why? Because the act of seeking reinforces the idea that happiness is missing. The truth is, happiness isn't something you get. It's something that happens as a consequence of a playful attitude. The more seriously you take life, the further happiness drifts away. The key? Stop taking everything so seriously and cultivate a playful attitude. How do you stop seeking and start being happy? Step 1. Consciously shift into playfulness. Happiness doesn't come from chasing future outcomes. It happens when you stop treating life like a serious problem to solve. The more playful your attitude, the more happiness naturally arises. Step 2. Drop the conditions. The mind creates rules. I'll be happy when... But happiness isn't a result. It's a consequence. Like giving a gift for no reason, happiness flows best when it's not tied to an outcome or expectation. Step 3. Cultivate awareness. Every emotion, including happiness, comes from something you think. If you're unhappy, look at what you're believing in that moment. Shift your focus, and you shift your experience. Happiness isn't a goal. It's a byproduct of how you approach life. The less seriously you take life, the easier happiness finds you. Try this today. Comment below. What's one thing you're choosing to stop taking so seriously? For advanced training and deeper mind hacks that actually work, check out ascendcourse.com. And remember, happiness isn't something you achieve. It's something you allow.